Hey Seawolves! National Hazing Prevention Week is an opportunity for organizations and individuals to come together and raise awareness about our shared responsibility as Seawolves to prevent hazing. This year, National Hazing Prevention Week will be a fully virtual experience held from September 20th through September 25th, providing exciting and unique opportunities through our new National Hazing Prevention Week Student Organization Involvement Kit. Some exciting opportunities in the Involvement Kit consist of a Choose Your Own Adventure category, where Seawolves and their student organizations can learn more about Stony Brook hazing prevention resources and select from a range of different activities including taking the Hazing Prevention Pledge, engaging in social media campaigns, participating in a hazing prevention video contest, learning about our full National Hazing Prevention Week schedule of events, hosting a discussion amongst your organization members, and more. In order to kick off National Hazing Prevention Week, I'm calling all student organization executive board members and active fraternity and sorority life members to complete the Prevent Zone Hazing Prevention 101 module. Remember, Seawolves, National Hazing Prevention Week is a collaborative campus initiative, and we thank you all in advance for your partnership and contributions towards Stony Brook University's 2020 National Hazing Prevention Week. For more information on related campus resources for students and organizations, visit stonybrook.edu/hazingprevention on how you can get involved in this year's National Hazing Prevention Week. Seawolves, step up. Seawolves, don't haze.